Hey everybody, welcome to another HPR product review. I'm Scott.
And I'm Sam.
And today we've got a really cool thing because it's, I don't wake up looking this pretty.
No, I look great this way.
You usually look great this way. I don't, so I need a little help, and I'm going to tell you what I'm using for that help. It's not cream. It's not creams. It's this bad boy right here. This beautiful, beautiful thing. I'm going to tell you about it right now. So this is the UBeesize Selfie ring light with tripod stand and phone holder. Mine is black, but you can also get it in white if you wish. And this is a crucial part of everything that we do when we create media and content. And here's why. This ring light features 3 color lighting modes: warm light, cool white, and daylight. And each mode has multiple lighting levels, which means you'll never have any of those unflattering shadows in any situation. And believe me, that's a big deal. It's very adjustable. It'll go super low, as you can see here. And it'll go super high, like you see here. And really one of the best things about this is that it uses clamps instead of those rotary tighteners. So this will last you for a long period of time. And it makes it super easy to adjust as well if you need to. It connects with a USB cord and comes in different lengths. I went out and got myself a USB extender cord. Not required, but if you don't have any USB power sources nearby, definitely a good idea to get yourself an extender. Now, I do not use the phone holder, but it is serviceable. You can certainly use it. It also comes with a remote, so you can turn your phone on and off when you need to. It sits right in between the ring. Again, I don't use it. I have another stand that I use. But if you're just going to use the ring, just for the ring light itself, this thing is amazing. I've had this thing for about 4 years now, and it still looks brand new. Bottom line is it's lightweight, it's easy to use, it lasts a long time, you can take it anywhere, you can collapse it to almost nothing, you can extend it to super tall, doesn't matter how tall you are. This thing really is for everybody that needs to have this in their content media package. So I would highly, highly recommend this. So there you have it. Highly recommend it. Sam and I couldn't look this good without it. And well, okay, I can only speak for myself. But highly recommend it. Please go out and get it if this is something you're needing. This is the product for you.
I think we have a 2 thumbs up.
Oh, 2 thumbs up.
Absolutely.
All right. We'll see you on the next one, guys.
Take care.
Come on back.